So before starting this, you have to remember that you have you must know the cubes and cubes root of cube of the from 1 to 10. So it plays an important, very important role, because I will tell you how it is important. For 1, it is cube root is 1. So the last digit of the cube is also 1. For 2, which is cube root is 8, and the last term is 8 of the cube. For 3, the cube will be 27, the last term will be 7. For 4, the cube is 64, and the last term is 4. For 5, the cube is 125, and the last term is 5. For 6, the cube is 216, and the last term is 6. For 7, it is 343, and the last term is 3. And for the 8, the last term, the cube is 5, 512, and the last term is 2. For 9, the cube is 279, and the last term is 9. For 10, the cube is 1000, and the last term is 0. So why I have written here the last term? Because these last terms of the cubes from 1 to 10 are the end terms of your cube root. So you have to remember this cube and last term of the cube roots from 1 to 10, because if you remember that 10 cube roots and their last terms, so you will find the cube root of any number. So how it is work? So we will see here with an example first, which is of the 79507. So you have to simply do one thing, that you have to form two groups. Take 3 terms from the left side and the 2 terms from the right side. 2 terms from the left side. So you have to always remember that you have to take always three terms from the right side, and the remaining one will be comes under the left side. Okay. So how you will find the answer? You will split this cube into different groups. Then considering the first group, that is 79, the 79 first group, the perfect cube smaller than 79 is 64. You must know that if you remember the table, you will know that the cube root of the 64 is 4. Okay, this is the first term of our answer. So I will tick 2 lines below it, and then the last digit of the cube. The last digit of the cube, that is 7. So we will know that the cube of of the 7 is 343. So the end digit of the cube is 3. So how it is come? Just because the cube of the 7, only 7 is 343. So the end digit of cube is 3. So here is the last answer we will come. So that's why I will tell you that you have to remember cubes and the last digit of the cube रूट्स 1 to 10. मतलब 1 से 10 तक के जो भी क्यूब है और उनकी जो लास्ट डिजिट है उनको आपको याद रखना होगा. तो अभी हम और एक एग्जांपल देखेंगे इससे थोड़ा बड़ा वाला. वी विल टेक अ बिगर एग्जांपल than the previous one, which is having a 6 digit. The question is 6 3 6 0 5 6. So as I will say in the previous one, you have to split it into two groups. This one 3 compulsory from the right and the remaining one, that is 3 from the left one. So it will come 3 6 3 slash 0 5 6. So you know that the first group, that is 636, is so the perfect cube smaller than 636 is 5 1 2. We know that the cube root of the 5 1 2 is 8. So this will become our first term of the cube root of the question. So then we know that this is n term of our cube, whose cube is 216. 216. I hope you will able to see this, otherwise I will change the color. Okay, so the 6 216. So the n term of this cube of the 6 is 6. So the n term of our cube root becomes 6. Okay, it is the same, just because you multiply the 6 with 6 and many times it will become only 6. Okay, so the cube root of our question, that is 6 3 6 0 6 0 5 6, is 86. So this is our answer. So we will take another example for your better understanding, so you can use it in a day-to-day life. So the next question is the third question one: 8 5 7 3 7 5. 8 5 7 3 7 5. Okay, you have to do the same thing. Take 3 digits from the right that are compulsory and the remaining one at the left side. Search for the perfect cube smaller than 857. So this is smaller than 857, means it is the cube of 9, that is 7 2 9. this is the cube of this is the perfect cube smaller than 857, and the cube root of 729 is 9. So this will become our first digit of the cube root. Then we will go see this right hand side. Okay, so here we will see that the end digit of the cube, our question cube, is 5. Okay, so for the 5, the cube of the 5 is 125. Okay, so 125 is the cube of the 5, so the end digit of the cube, so the end digit of the cube of the 5 is 5. So the end digit of our cube root for the question becomes 5. So this is the, in this way you will find out how to solve the question. So I will give you some example at the description or in the link given for the Telegram channel, where I will send some questions. Then you can comment below me the answer, or simply in the Telegram channel you can send it. So I will look into that and see how helpful the video is. I hope you will, it helps. I hope this video helps you, and if you like the video, please like, comment and share with